Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. NIFTY 50 Index futures trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange suggest that the Nifty could rise 64 points at the opening bell. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, said on Tuesday that India, with a 6.6% growth rate this fiscal year, is among the fastest-growing economies in Asia amid a global slowdown caused by a massive energy shock caused by the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict. In its latest economic outlook, the Paris-based intergovernmental body that focuses on economic policy reports that GDP growth in the country will slow to 5.7% in FY 2023-24 as exports and domestic demand growth moderate, but that it will still grow faster than many other G20 economies, including China and Saudi Arabia. Overseas, Asian stocks are trading higher on Wednesday, following the overnight rise in U.S. stocks. Markets in Japan are closed due to a public holiday. Meanwhile, New Zealand's central bank raised interest rates by 75 basis points, matching expectations and becoming the central bank's largest rate hike in history. Stocks in the United States rose on Tuesday as investors bet that interest rate hikes and inflation will ease before the end of the year. The stock market will be closed for the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday and will close early on Friday. Domestic equity benchmarks ended the day with modest gains, snapping a three-day losing streak. The Sensex rose 274.12 points, or 0.45%, to 61,418.96. To 18,244.20, the NIFTY 50 Index gained 84.25 points or 0.46%. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, sold shares worth 697.83 crore on November 22, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers worth 636.39 crore, according to preliminary data. Follow us, information is wealth.